Hello everyone and welcome back. So today guys we're going to restore the faded plastic of my 14-year-old Toyota. It is a three-step process. The first step would be to clean the car, as I already did. So to ensure the bonding of the trim restore chemical, we're going to use an IPA cleaner specially designed for the exterior in order to remove the oils and waxes that might have been left behind. And this is Mother's CMX. You can use any IPA exterior cleaner of your choice. We're going to use autoglym for our third step. Vinyl rubber restore that's mainly designed for the interior but also can be used on the exterior. We're going to use fobs and a brush for intricate areas. So you can either leave the product as it is and it will give you a more of a glossy finish, or you can buff it out straight away afterwards for a more matte finish. I personally prefer more of a matte finish because it gives the car more of a factory look. The product itself is easy to apply as it is not as greasy as some products might be, but comes with a drawback of durability perhaps, but we'll see how long it lasts. But it's really easy to reapply it. So thank you for watching the video guys, and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next videos.